I'm Donna and this is my kitchen. Yes, this is literally my kitchen. Finally, we made it. This is a small kitchen, but the good thing with the small kitchen is that you have everything pretty close. You have your spoons, oven, sink, spices here, utensils here. So if I need something, the opener is right here. I don't have to go far. Well, the challenge is that it gets messy pretty easily and you don't have a lot of counter space, but also the good thing is that you can clean up really fast, like 10 minutes, done. That's where I cook every evening, pretty much most of the evenings after I come back from work. And what do I do? People ask me like, what do you do usually? What's your favorite food? Something easy, something that I can do in 10 or 15 minutes. So we are going to do something really easy today and fast that will be ready under 10 minutes. For that we'll need simple ingredients, 3 simple ingredients, 4 with including the olive oil. That's beans, spinach, garlic, and olive oil. So we're going to start with the garlic. Just chop the garlic. Oh, that was pretty fierce. Okay, just, chop it as you want. Not too much. I think 1 clove will be enough. And we can start the... Oh, what's going on here? Hold on. All right. There we go. All right, good, working. All right, we made it. And a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon. And we can start cooking the garlic, but make sure it's not too high, so we don't want to burn the garlic. We just want to like soften up and lightly cook, maybe for about a minute. That will be enough. And I have a couple of bags of spinach. That might seem a lot, but trust me, it's not a lot, so it will probably be 2 servings only. And I have some white cannellini, northern beans, organic northern beans. So I like to use white beans here because of the contrast with spinach. I think it's prettier. And actually I've seen this recipe, this dish at the restaurant I used to work like 6 years ago. And that was kind of an appetizer and everybody loved it. We had a nice Italian chef there. And I think it's an Italian dish. So I thought I created that, but I don't think I created that. So we just rinse it a little bit. I don't like to use, I don't usually use canned beans. I cook my own beans, but right now, why not? So it's easier, it's budget friendly. So the total cost of this dish will be about $6. I think I paid like $1.99 in this organic baby spinach at Trader Joe's, and that was probably $1.50 the same Trader Joe's, and a little garlic. So you see the garlic starting to sizzle, yeah, and I think that will be good. I'm gonna add our beans, and my temperature's pretty good, and just cook a little bit, not too much, maybe another minute. Let's add a little bit of salt, and I have pepper right here. Okay. Oh, I like that. So I smell the garlic. It's gonna smell like garlic. And I can increase the temperature because I'm going to add the spinach. Making mess here. Alright, I'm gonna add gradually because I cannot really fit until it wilts down. Wilts, whatever. Ooh. This is a small pan, but it's okay. At the end it'll be fine. So we just need to cook it a little bit. It's actually a very hearty dish, even though it's vegetarian, has no meat, has beans which are pretty filling, and spinach is packed with the vitamins and iron. So really great, simple dish after you come home from work and you want to make something simple other than spinach salad sprinkled with beans. You can just saute it lightly and add a little garlic. You can add some herbs if you have. If not, that's fine. Look at that. So it's kind of fading down. And maybe I just add one packet. Maybe I don't need to add second one. We'll see. I thought that I would need two, but hey, you never know. All right. Getting there. Like I don't think that herbs are necessary in this dish because garlic just flavors it so well that you don't really need to add anything else. Not even spices. I would not add any spices either. Maybe just like hot pepper or something, hot pepper flakes. Yeah, that would be good. That actually looks good. I think that will be enough. All right. So I forgot to set the timer, but I think we just did it in 5 minutes. Oh, that is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Shake a little bit, do a little chefing. All right, that was quite easy, very simple.